Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, we are talking about downhill move off in a manual car. So, how do you move off in a manual car on a hill going down? This is what we are going to talk about in this video. Let's start the lesson. So, we are going to talk about how to move the car off on a hill going down in a manual car. Now, I do have another lesson, another video on going uphill in a manual car. So if you haven't seen that video already, I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. So that video is all about how to move off on a hill going up in a manual car. This one is how to move the car off going down in a manual car. Moving off on a hill going up, you need the clutch control. You move the car off with a clutch. Going down is not clutch, is the brake control. So you control it with the brake when you are going down. Many learners, the mistake they make is when they stop on a traffic light or when they stop on a hill going down, they get confused how to move the car off, the control they need, the feet control they need, how to move the car on a downhill. So this is what I want to help you with in this video, is how to move off going down in a manual car. First of all, we are now parked up on a hill, and what we need is to prepare the car how to move off on a hill. So what's the preparation? So the preparation is you put the clutch down and then you decide which gear you need. If the hill is quite steep, you could go to second gear, and it's not steep, then you could go to first gear. So let me repeat, if the hill is quite steep, you can move the car off going down on a second gear in a manual car. And if the hill isn't that steep, then first gear as normal. Okay, so either first or second will depend on the steep of the hill. So say we decided on first gear because the hill isn't steep. So clutch down, we start the car. So we start the car. Okay, what's the preparation? Clutch is down, we're going to go to first gear because the hill isn't that steep. If it is steep, we're going to go to second. If not, we're going to go to first gear. Okay, so clutch is down, first gear. Put the brake on, no gas. Take the handbrake off. Okay, look around, look at the blind spot. I'm going to signal because the road is quite busy. Okay, now I'm going to let the brake go and keep the clutch down. Okay, car is going, blind spot again. Car starts to go, bring the clutch up halfway, give a little gas, blind spot again, and car starts to go. Okay, so going down is different than uphill. Like I said, uphill you need the clutch control, and downhill you need the brake control. Okay, this mini roundabout, we're going to go straight. Look on my right, now I'm coming, and this van, we have the priority. Many learners, they do get confused, and every time they stop on a traffic light on a hill going down, they start giving gas and they get confused how to move the car off on a hill going down. So hopefully this video is going to help you. We're going to find another hill. We're going to go next road on the right. Mirror, mirror, signal right. There you go. Just quickly, I'm going to stop on a hill going up, and then I'm going to show you going down so you know the difference. You could see the difference. So obviously, like I said, I've got another video on going up. So this is an uphill, okay? Even though the video is all about going downhill with in a manual car, I just want to show you so that you know different. This is going up now, okay? Like I said, I do have another video on going up. Watch that video. It's explained in more details. But just to give you and show you the difference between up and down. So uphill starting, clutch down, first gear. Set the gas more than normal, around 2000 rev because it's on a hill. Clutch with the biting, feel the bite. I could feel the bite. Look around, look at the blind spot, signal blind spot. Take the handbrake off and clutch up a little bit more. Car starts to go. Blind spot one more time. Hold the clutch and car starts to go. So that's clutch control going up. Okay, now you see the difference when you are going downhill. Okay, so I'm going to stop on a hill over there, going down. I just wanted to show you the difference so that you know. So I'm going to stop around. There's no one coming. So I'm going to stop around here, downhill. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Here we go. Handbrake, neutral, done. So what's the preparation? Clutch down, first gear. Put the brake on. Okay. Look around. Look at the blind spot. Take the handbrake off. Blind spot one more time. Let the brake go. Car starts to go. Clutch up to the biting. Give a little gas. Blind spot one more time, and you go. Okay, so it's the same even if you stop on a traffic light going down. So if you stop on a traffic light or at the end of the road, which is going down, preparation is the same. Okay, you use the brake control to move the car going down. I'm gonna go right here. Okay, the road is narrow here. I can't go, so I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna stop around here. First gear. Put the handbrake on. This is downhill, by the way, so brake control. Okay. Okay, let the handbrake off, blind spot. So what am I doing? Let the brake go, car starts to go, give a little gas, clutch to the biting. So did you see? So I stopped, this was downhill. So what did I do? I didn't give gas, did I? I used the brake control, okay? There's no one coming, second gear is already there. Okay. So like I said, I do have uphill moving off. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see if you haven't seen the other one. And then you will know the difference between uphill, which is clutch control, downhill, which is brake control. Okay, we're gonna stop again over there. Okay, so look at the mirrors, there's no one coming, signal, and I'm gonna stop around here. Okay, so I stopped here. This is downhill. Okay, now this downhill, it could have been in a traffic light, it could have been in at the end of the road going down. The preparation is the same. What do? Clutch down, first gear. Could be second if the steep is quite steep. The hill is quite steep, but in this case, it's not as steep. So clutch down, first gear, brake, handbrake off. Okay, look around, blind spot, signal, blind spot. Let the brake go. Car starts to go. Clutch up to the biting. Give a little gas. Blind spot again, and you go. At the end of the road, I'm going to go right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Okay. As you can see, the end is down. Is downhill. So the preparation is going to be the same. Okay. So brake. Okay. Let the brake go. Car starts to go. I'm not giving gas. There's another car coming. I'm going to wait. Put the handbrake on. Okay. This end of the road is downhill. Okay, the preparation is the same as I said before. Brake, handbrake off, let the brake go, car starts to go, clutch up halfway, give a little gas. Done. Mirror, and I'm going to stop here. Okay, so I hope the video helps. I hope now you understand the difference between uphill and downhill. Okay, many learners, like I said, they move off same way, whether it's uphill or downhill, and they get confused. You need to differentiate between going up, what kind of control you need, how to use the control on moving off uphill when you're driving in a manual car, and when you are driving downhill in a manual car, what kind of control you use. And just to remind again, uphill in a manual car is clutch control, and downhill in a manual car is the brake control. Okay, obviously if you're driving an automatic, there is no clutch, so you just use the brake for downhill and just the gas or the accelerator for going up. Okay, I hope the video helps. If it did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do let me know what you think of the video if it helps. And also, if you need any help on learning to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has more than 30 videos on the course, I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. And if you like it, you could always join the course. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.